The Finisar FTC4717E1 PCB FB is a high-performance 800G optical transceiver module built for modern data center operating models where bandwidth density, latency control, and thermal efficiency determine network success. In practical terms, it serves hyperscale cloud platforms, AI training clusters, high-performance computing environments, and spine-leaf fabrics that must move enormous volumes of traffic with minimal congestion and predictable behavior. According to the official Coherent and Finisar documentation, the module is an OSFP form factor device, not a QSFP-DD module. That distinction matters for architecture planning because OSFP was designed to support the higher power envelope and thermal headroom required for 800G optics. At this performance tier, heat is not a side issue. It is a primary design constraint. The larger OSFP package gives network operators more flexibility when deploying dense switch systems where airflow, power delivery, and port count must be balanced carefully. The FTC4717E1 PCB FB provides an aggregate throughput of 800 gigabits per second and is implemented as 2x400G FR4. That means the module can be viewed as a high-bandwidth platform capable of supporting breakout strategies or native 800G operation, depending on the network design. For operators building AI fabrics or high-capacity data center interconnects, that flexibility reduces complexity and helps preserve investment in existing optical infrastructure. The optical signaling is based on PAM4 modulation, which has become the standard method for 400G and 800G networking because it carries more information per symbol than traditional NRZ signaling. This allows the module to achieve very high throughput without requiring unrealistic increases in baud rate. The result is a practical and scalable technology path for next-generation Ethernet and InfiniBand deployments. The module runs over single-mode fiber and uses dual LC duplex connectors, which simplifies cabling compared with older parallel fiber architectures. Its wavelength plan is centered around the CWDM 1310 nanometer window used by FR4 optics. In official Coherent documentation, the reach is specified for up to 2 kilometers over G.652 single-mode fiber. Some reseller listings suggest 3 kilometers, but the authoritative specification is 2 kilometers, and that difference should be treated as a planning constraint rather than a marketing claim. This clarification is important. FR4 optics are typically the sweet spot for short to medium reach data center links where the goal is to connect campus buildings, switch layers, or adjacent halls without moving into longer reach telecom grade optics. If a deployment truly requires 3 kilometers or more, architects usually evaluate LR4 or LR8 alternatives instead. In other words, the FTC4717E1 PCB FB is optimized for efficient data center connectivity, not extended distance transport. The electrical interface follows 8x100G PAM4 lanes aligned with IEEE 802.3 CK, which supports interoperability within the broader 800G Ethernet ecosystem. That standard alignment is critical for enterprise and hyperscale customers who need compliance, predictable link behavior, and smooth integration with modern switching platforms. The module is therefore well suited for 800G Ethernet, InfiniBand and DR environments, AI cluster interconnects, and large-scale cloud networking. From an operational perspective, power consumption is approximately 17 watts, which is consistent with the demands of a high-density 800G OSFP module. At this level, the cost of a link is no longer measured only in optics performance. It is also measured in watts per port and in how efficiently the platform can sustain thermal stability under real workloads. That is one reason OSFP has gained importance in the upper tiers of Ethernet design. The business value of this module becomes clearest in AI infrastructure. Training large models creates extreme east-west traffic between accelerators, switches, and storage layers. Bottlenecks at the optical layer can slow time to train, reduce cluster utilization, and increase operating costs. By offering 800G capacity in a compact and standardized package, the FTC4717E1 PCB, FB helps operators simplify their fabric while increasing throughput per rack unit. Its combination of OSFP packaging, 2x400G FR4 architecture, single-mode fiber compatibility, and PAM4 signaling makes it a strong fit for next-generation data centers. For network planners, the key takeaway is straightforward. The official module is an OSFP 800G transceiver with 2 km FR4 reach, not a QSFP-DD device, and not a 3 km optic.